Did you know many car owners spend thousands on PPF, only to see it yellow, bubble, or crack in less than 6 months? In most cases, the problem comes from buying low-quality films. Today I'll show you 3 simple ways to spot fakes. First, pinch test. TPU feels like putty, press it down and it bounces back. PET is rigid, and dents leave visible marks. PVC feels rough and grainy, usually from recycled material. Second, smell test. Cheap PVC gives off a sharp plastic smell, a sign of excess plasticizers. PET and TPU only have a faint glue smell that fades with ventilation. But if you smell gasoline or acid, that's dangerous. It usually means toxic solvents. Third, scratch test. Many fake TPU films are just PVC sprayed with matte paint. A light scratch with your fingernail will reveal the white base layer underneath. Beyond these tests, watch out for common scams. For example, full car TPU only 2,800 yen is almost always fake PVC. Or imported PET films that fail UV tests, just recycled material disguised as imports. In summary, real quality films can hide their touch, smell, or test data. Don't rely on promises. Always check test reports and certificates. If you're still unsure how to choose PPF, don't risk trial and error. Reach out to us, and we'll customize the right solution for your car and driving conditions.